Hey, I just have a short video with a waterfall pretty close to El Valle, and it's not too hard to get to. It's a bit of a steep climb going down and then coming back up, but it's short, so it's worth it. And I am going to be so happy in 10 months because I have like 10 papaya trees growing. Probably gonna have to cut some of them out to thin them, but I have like 10, and then I think I've spotted 2 more. So I'm gonna be thrilled because I've actually been completely addicted to papaya. I noticed this one over here by the hammock patio that's in progress. I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue planting grass seed or if I'm going to get sod because the grass is kind of thin. I wanted it to feel a little more thick, and it also grows pretty tall. So I'm going to see if I can find some sod that'll just be like a mound. And then I'm hoping that these heliconias are going to be okay. I go back and forth between wondering if I'm over or under watering them. I think I might actually be underwatering. And I thought I only had 1 papaya in here, but I have 2 apparently, and a tomato. Everything's been very random in the garden. I don't know the name of this plant, but it has just been self-seeding all over the place. So I have this in a bunch of different areas now. And I think I'm gonna replant the fig tree. I think I put it a little too close to the trench, and that is kind of a dry spot. Oh my gosh, there's another tomato plant. This is too funny. That's very funny. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna transplant the fig because I don't think it's doing well here. But I think I'm gonna wait until rainy season starts just to give it a better chance to adjust. Well, it's definitely been a weird dry season, but now I'm starting to have to water a couple areas of the garden morning and in the evening. This type of rain has been happening quite a bit, where we'll have sun showers and rainbows. I'm glad I have papaya trees because I'm going to need them for the toucan. This is about as good of a shot as I can get of the red tanagers. They're very quick to leave the feeder. It felt kind of funny to go on my bicycle to get gas, but I needed to pick up some gas for the weed whacker. I like going to this little fruit market. He's pretty close to my house and often has a pretty good selection. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi, honey.
I've never seen her lay like this and drink water. And then here she is making me feel sleepy while I watch her nap. And then she did some more napping. She's just been going through a very cute phase. Kelly and I ventured off to Choro La Poma. It's near the little community of Las Margaritas, and you have to drive on this dirt road and pay $2 or $3 to the people to get entrance onto the property, and then you walk through the farm field and then down the path. It got a little more crowded while we were there for a couple hours, and we just had some lunch and hung out by the water. These orb weavers are everywhere. I think March, April, and May are some of the best months to go to the waterfalls because the water can be more blue because it's not muddy from all the rain and rainy season. A lot of times you'll have the place to yourself or very few people, but on Sundays there's usually a lot of families that go to the waterfalls, and they are serious picnickers. They will bring grills, and the food smells really good. In fact, while we were at Choro La Poma, there was a family that came with a really big cooler, and they set up hammocks. I don't know how they carried that all the way down that steep trail. Never in a million years did I think that I would like a spider, but I really like these orb weavers. We saw people coming back from venturing down that river a little bit, so maybe on a different day when we have better shoes and more time, we'll head down the river. Are there any geologists who can explain these rock formations? Our guess was that it was from the volcano. It's probably the freshest chives you will ever see in Panama. If only I could find dill. Papaya has an enzyme in it that helps with digestion, and of course, it has a lot of healthy minerals and vitamins, antioxidants, and I'm gonna have a gazillion papayas. I can't wait. I'm so excited. My favorite way to have plantains, little bit of sugar in butter.